Want to unlock the secrets to a killer credit score? Imagine having the power to transform your financial future with just a few strategic moves. Think of it like a game. You're the player, navigating through levels and challenges. The credit bureaus are the referees, keeping track of your every move. And your score? That's your scorecard, flashing your financial prowess to the world. It's a reflection of your financial habits and decisions. Ready to rack up those points? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the credit score game, revealing the hacks, tips, and tricks to skyrocket your score faster than you ever thought possible. From understanding credit utilization to mastering payment history, we've got you covered. But hold your horses. Before you start spamming credit card applications and maxing out your limits, let's get one thing straight. It's not just about having multiple cards. Building a stellar credit score takes time and strategy. It's about making informed decisions and being patient. It's not about overnight miracles. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about understanding the rules of the game and using them to your advantage. Knowledge is power, and in this game, it's your greatest ally. And trust us, once you master the art of the credit score, you'll unlock a world of financial opportunities, from snagging lower interest rates to securing that dream loan. Imagine the possibilities. So, are you ready to level up your financial game? Let's go. Intrigued? We thought so. The journey to a stellar credit score starts now. Stick around as we unravel the mysteries of the credit score and equip you with the tools to conquer the financial world, one point at a time. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. Get ready to become a credit score champion. Your financial future is in your hands. Let's face it, the credit score can feel like a mysterious beast lurking in the shadows of your financial life. It's something that many people don't fully understand, yet it has a significant impact on their financial well-being. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the maze of credit scores and help you understand what it all means. We're here to shed some light on this elusive creature and demystify its secrets. By the end of this, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to navigate your financial path with confidence. Your credit score is basically a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky you are to lend money to. It's a quick way for them to gauge your financial reliability. Think of it as your financial report card, a snapshot of your borrowing and repayment habits. Just like in school, a good report card can open doors, while a bad one can close them. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders, opening doors to better interest rates, loan approvals, and even job opportunities. It's like having a golden ticket in the financial world. But here's the thing. Your credit score isn't just some random number conjured up by financial wizards. It's a calculated figure based on your financial behavior. It's calculated based on a bunch of factors, like your payment history, how much debt you have, and the length of your credit history. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in determining your score. And guess what? You have the power to influence these factors and shape your financial destiny. By making informed decisions, you can improve your score over time. Stay tuned as we break down the components of the credit score and reveal the surprising things that can impact it. You'll learn tips and tricks to boost your score and take control of your financial future. Get ready to take control of your financial narrative. With the right knowledge and actions, you can turn your financial shadow into a beacon of light. Ready to give your credit score an instant boost? We've got your back. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve an already decent score, these tips can help you see results quickly. While building a stellar credit history takes time and consistent effort, there are a few quick wins that can make a significant difference in the short term. These strategies are easy to implement and can provide a noticeable boost to your credit score. First up, let's tackle those pesky credit card balances. Reducing your balances can have an immediate positive effect. Did you know that even a small reduction in your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit, can have a positive impact on your score? This ratio is a significant factor in your credit score calculation. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally even lower if possible, and watch those points climb. This simple step can make a big difference in a short amount of time. Next, consider becoming an authorized user on a responsible friend or family member's credit card. This can be a quick way to improve your credit history. This can give your credit history a nice little boost, especially if they have a long and positive track record. It's like borrowing their good credit habits. This can give your credit history a nice little boost, especially if they have a long and positive track record. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure the account you're added to is in good standing, or you could end up hurting your score instead of helping it. Another pro tip: set up automatic payments for your bills. Make sure the account you're added to is in good standing, or you could end up hurting your score instead of helping it. Another pro tip: set up automatic payments for your bills. Late payments can ding your credit score like nobody's business, so why risk it? Automate those payments and enjoy the peace of mind knowing your credit score is safe and sound. Set up automatic payments for your bills. This ensures you never miss a payment and helps maintain a positive payment history. Late payments can ding your credit score like nobody's business, so why risk it? Automate those payments and enjoy the peace of mind knowing your credit score is safe and sound. Automate those payments and enjoy the peace of mind knowing your credit score is safe and sound. Consistency is key in maintaining a good credit score. Stay tuned for more game-changing tips and tricks to level up your credit score and unlock your financial potential. With these quick wins, you're well on your way to a brighter financial future. While quick fixes can provide a temporary boost, building lasting credit health requires a long-term strategy. It's about establishing responsible financial habits that will serve you well for years to come. Think of it as training for a marathon, not a sprint. One of the most impactful habits you can develop is consistently paying your bills on time. This single factor carries the most weight in determining your credit score. Set reminders, automate payments, or use a budgeting app, whatever it takes to avoid those dreaded late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Next, focus on diversifying your credit mix. Having a healthy blend of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can demonstrate to lenders that you're capable of managing different types of debt responsibly. Remember, building a strong credit history is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent with your financial habits, and watch your credit score soar to new heights over time.